We are on our way to Montville today.
Yes.
I don't know, maybe your big head, I don't know if it fits. So we're in the car, we just stopped quickly in Palwoods. We are on our way to Montville because today we're going to my favorite place, one of my favorite places in the Hinterland, Secrets on the Lake.
Yes! Okay, so...
We're driving?
Yes, definitely. Okay.
We're driving, so Cristiano, drive! So we're driving, but wait to see our adventure after the...
Sigla!
Wow! We're gonna go for a walk in Little Montville before we get to Secrets.
Okay. Hey, Vale. It's a little bit chill.
It was cold.
Yeah.
You don't believe me?
Never.
You wear a bloody short sleeve.
So, did you find a new friend?
Found a little friend here. Look how cool he is.
Super.
Alright, back on our way.
Okay, so we are ready.
So
I'm hungry. We just stopped to take some picture and some videos. Just for you guys, to show you. Look. But we are almost there.
yeah, we
5 minutes.
you're going in the wrong way. You know that? We have to go all the way.
I know.
We have to go all the way around.
I know, I have to turn around. Let me check, maybe here.
I don't know. Are you doing the Italian thing?
Yes.
Italian driving?
Yes. Ooh.
Walk at the back.
Is everything under control? No worries.
Sweet. Look, Cristiano is on short sleeve. I don't know if you see him. Like, and it's winter and it's cold. Like, there must be like.
I told you because I'm still in the summer mood. Wow!
I told you it was very, very amazing.
It is.
It's so different from anything else you will have ever seen. We're gonna go and have a look around. So this is the beautiful Sarah. Hi.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello. She's gonna show our one of the cabins, like the tree houses. Like it's so good.
Woo.
That's the only way you can go around here. Through the cabins. This is the main way of transporting secrets of the lake.
Phil makes the gardens look amazing. Oh, the fire's going.
Oh, is it? Oh, nice. Good evening.
Ooh. Hello. Oh, wow.
Oh, it's warming here. It's nice.
It's very nice. Oh, I like it. All right. Well, I'm speechless. Look at this, guys.
Oh, just so unique.
And the view.
Yeah, the view is the main thing. Like, already
If
you
you
go
wanna
like
just,
up.
if you wanna just get some relax, enjoy the view. Okay.
Come on.
Already see my spot. That will be my spot.
Like an old man.
Yeah. We spend.
And this is the gardens. So look at the view of the gardens from here.
Oh my gosh. Unfortunately, it's not a very sunny day, but guys,
Oh, like I
looks-
think like any weather here, it looks spectacular because I've been here many times and like sunny, rain is like whatever, misty. It's always so
It's
good.
great.
Here, go on. Do you want?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Go
I wanna-
on,
I wanna try.
Valentina, Go on back.
Oh.
You are.
Oh,
Okay, Chris, I can leave you here today.
Good
You
night.
you can have a nap after lunch. You're gonna leave him here today. You found this perfect spot.
it's beautiful. Look at the view.
I know.
Wow.
Just so good. Best place ever. I told you I was taking you to one of the most amazing places in the Hinterland. Secrets on the Lake, it is.
I wanna stay here.
Yeah, okay, I'll leave you here. No, we're gonna I'll book you for lunch, Chris.
Oh,
Come on,
yes.
chop chop.
Yes.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Let's go. I can't believe I'm meeting here today. I'm so excited. Hello.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Sarah. Let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa, look at the view.
Look at the view, hey?
And the most important thing,
You got the Hinterland just
yes, just behind me. That is great.
Look at the view, guys. Best table. Best table.
I got some.
You got some sprinkles?
Yeah.
Just come on and be close.
It's nice. It's nice because now I'm super warm. It is my friend here, and I'm starving. Even if there is a little bit of raining, it doesn't matter. Look at this. It's fantastic. I really like this place. It's really magic.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Like just magical. Like just. All right, let's have a look. at
Well
the
done, Vale.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
I'm super happy. I'm going to check it out the menu.
I'm good. All right, let's check out this menu, man.
Sicura che non cade?
Aspetta. Sai che lo sta riprendendo, Ciccio? Sei troppo alto, zio. Mo. Perché sei così alto?
Mi metto così.
You're too tall, man. Like, you're just too tall. I don't know. It's very like British.
I already chose. I know.
Yeah, I know you know what you're gonna have. Let me have a look then. I will have a look because he already chose, as usual.
I was chasing the bird, but oh, it's there.
I don't know, Chris. I'm struggling. Like I don't know what to do. I want to eat everything.
All right. So we ready?
I'm ready to order.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna have like to drink like a beer, the local beer.
Yeah, the summer ale.
Summer ale.
Sunshine Coast Brewery, yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna have the entree, the braised oxtail, and chorizo de croquettes. And I want to try the twice baked Gruyere souffle. Yeah. And then as a main, we're gonna have the lamb shank.
Yes.
And I want to try the cottage pie, the beef and mushroom.
Just sold out of that one.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's fine. No, that's fantastic. That's fine. Because I was like, yeah, okay, that's all right. It was interesting, but oh, then I'm gonna have like another entree.
Yeah, of course.
Instead of that, I want to try the Tasmanian pate.
Pate, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want that as your main? Or do you want to go?
Oh.
I'd probably go the croquettes and the pate at first, and then go the souffle and the lamb shank. That's
Okay,
probably a bit
yeah,
bigger
yeah,
as your main.
yeah, perfect.
Yeah, and for yourself, for a drink, what would you like?
The red wine, the local red
The
wine.
Shiraz, Kilcoy
Yes.
Shiraz. Of course, we'll get that on the go for you.
Thank you.
No trouble.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
All right, now we have just to wait.
Most of the
But
time.
not in this case.
Not in this case. I'm a beer drinker.
yes,
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, so we are ready for our
Toast.
toast. And
Cheers.
cheers. I want to just say that I like this place because everything is local. So even the beer, even
Yeah,
the
the
wine,
beer
they
is
try to support the local business, and that is very nice.
Yeah, I like it. All right.
Okay, so you're already eating.
So yeah, sorry, I couldn't wait. I'm sorry. So these are our entrees. So we go like this is what I really wanted to try. It's like the Tasmania smoked salmon pate.
That you really like it.
I think I will. Yum.
And then what do we go?
We got a lot of dill in it. Yum. Perfect combination.
What's
And
that?
here we go like the braised oxtail and chorizo croquettes with an harissa sauce.
Sounds
Do
great.
you know what a oxtail is, Cristiano?
Is coda di bue.
La coda de bue, sì.
La coda di bue. Oxtail. Oh, that is the sauce.
So it's an harissa sauce, so I'm not sure if it's spicy, I don't remember.
Should be a little bit.
Should be, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'll
Okay.
try and I will
You try.
tell you. It's just a little bit spicy, but it's very good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Show me inside. Ah, nice. More crunchiness. It feels like looks like very crunchy on the outside.
Deep fried, perfectly deep fried.
I'm gonna eat the grass again. At least this one is edible for once.
Okay, so what's up, Vale?
I saw the waiter
So,
with like a lamb shank and a souffle, and I thought it was ours.
yeah, Vale started just to tell me, come on.
Come on, he's coming.
Turn
And
on the
it's
camera,
not.
turn on the camera. Yeah, it wasn't enough for us.
It was for the camera.
Okay.
It's here.
Lamb shank.
Oh, look at that
you.
trees. And the souffle, oh my god.
Whoa, that is mine.
Yep.
Wow.
Phew. Oh, look at these. This is like cheesiness smell. It's so good.
It's good.
I think so.
Okay, so we're going to take some pictures.
What are you?
And wait, yes, wait. You sound very excited, Vale.
I love cheese, man. Actually, I never had like a Gruyere souffle. That's why I was curious. I'm gonna
looks-
blow it. It's a bit hot.
Looks very cheesy.
It's soft but you can really taste the Gruyere. I like it, like the cheese. Yum. It goes with this like pear and rocket salad, which is actually a perfect combination. I think with pecans. I think like the little thing on top is like pecans.
You like the combo?
I actually really like the combination. It's good.
Okay, so
Well
enjoy.
done.
Buon
Yeah.
appetito.
Grazie.
Who is gonna to eat this? It's me. Okay.
A giant food as usual. Like it's like Fred Flintstone food. Basically.
I don't know if other people start to eat like me, but okay. So we got the shank, and there is just one way
To eat the shank, really?
Yes. 4 hours slow cooked. No, but I love it. It's super tender.
Is it good?
I love the sauce. Yeah.
What type of sauce is it?
Oh, I think it's just you know the
Like the
it's
tomato?
probably sauces. Yeah, with tomato. Slow cooked, so we take all the flavor. It's amazing.
È buono?
Buonissimo. Veramente
Buonissimo.
buono. It's very good. You want to try?
I'll try a little
You
bit.
can try.
We decided to share a dessert. Tell us about a little bit.
I like the presentation. It's very nice. See?
Yeah?
And what is this?
No, you have to do the photos.
Oh, yes, the photos. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try. Just a second, because I'm not sure.
We share it, remember that? Maybe.
It's bloody good.
Is it?
Yeah,
Did you pass your panna cotta test?
Yeah. Definitely. Winning. Different texture. It's great. There is nothing else to say. I love it. It's nice. It's beautiful.
We had lunch at these Secrets on the Lake. What do you think, Cristiano, about the location?
Oh, location. Okay, so I think that is just a magical location. It's something beautiful. I'm really speechless. It's like living in a dream.
Yeah, it's
I really like it.
Yeah, as I told you, like it's a place that is very unique.
Yeah, I think that we have not to spend a lot of word on the location because it's just perfect. And,
Yeah.
Service.
What do you think about the service?
I think that the service was very nice. Yeah, it's not too fancy, of course, the place, but they still have an eye for the details. They are very friendly, of course.
Friendly, super nice. Yeah, and you still have like a table service, like
Yeah,
proper restaurant. So
It's
yeah,
very nice
good
service.
there. Now, what about
Now, food. Okay, I just fall in love with my lamb. It was perfectly cooked. Was great. Super tasty. Was amazing. The entree they were quite good
As well, yeah, la masse gruyere souffle was amazing. Like the pairing with the salad, like with a rocket and pear salad, was perfect. Like just perfectly combined. Loved it.
Oh, guys, really, the panna cotta,
Salted
just-
caramel panna cotta.
just amazing. We are talking about the bill. Who has the bill?
I left it in the car. I know.
One thing you have to do. Eh?
I know how much we paid now.
Okay, so we just pretend to have the bill.
bill.
Here we go. Okay, so Vale, how much do you spend for 3 entrees?
3 entrees,
One main,
1 main,
one beer,
1 wine,
wine,
and a
and
dessert.
dessert. Okay.
We spent $118. 118. 118 bucks.
Bucks. So in conclusion, I think that this experience was amazing. I'm super happy, really. And that's it. We are done for
Yeah,
today.
so guys, if you wanna keep following us in our food adventures, please subscribe in the link here, follow us on Instagram, and please give us some suggestions. We want you to let us know where do you want us to go and try for you, and we'll do for it. So please comment underneath, let us know where you want us to go, and definitely see you next Monday.
Okay, guys, be grateful, much love, enjoy your day.
Ciao.
Ciao.